Okay, listen to this distortion. What is this? Sounds like something cutting out, doesn't it? Almost sounds like ready. Now, this one isn't. And the corresponding operator just sent your signals breaking up. No, it isn't. Listen carefully. The key here is that when it's breaking up, it's the same tone with an interruption. What you heard, what I could probably hear a little better here, was two different tones. If you listen carefully, the entire CW character is being sent. There's something else on top of it. That's propagation distortion. You'll hear it fade in and out. This is what's called multipathing, and this is advanced radio. I hear lots of crying and whining and bitching and screaming from hams that think they know it all when I get on sideband and talk. I had an instance Friday of somebody got all bent out of shape because my modulation was distorted, or my audio was distorted, which is a stupid statement. Transmitters don't have audio, they have modulation. But he was just sure my transmitter was bad because he heard distortion. There's a reason for that. There's a gigantic cell phone tower, I don't know, a mile up the ridge from me. Pardon me. And it re-radiates. It's a passive re-radiator. Oh, pardon the dry cough. It's a passive re-radiator. And it sends two signals out very close together in time. And they're so close together in time, and the propagation time of both to the same receiver is so close together, there's no time for Doppler shift. So what it sounds like is distortion, when actually what's being heard is two signals, one time delayed, and they're being mixed together in the receiver. Nothing wrong with my transmitter whatsoever. Perfectly clean and a local receiver. This is what happens when we get people with ham licenses that don't actually know anything. And where they don't know, they fill in the blanks by making something up. And this is not amateur radio, that's CB radio. So, interesting little thing here on propagation. Propagation has been extremely screwy on 40 meters. So, very, very bad propagation at times, but also this is the time to listen for severe distortion from storm fronts.